As we know, the onset of monsoon over Kerala was delayed, and accordingly, the onset over Goa state also delayed by 2 weeks. But the overall June rainfall has shown the normal tendency. India Meteorological Department has given the range of the normal for the subdivision is minus 19% to the plus 19%. This year in the month of June, Goa has received minus 14% of the rainfall, as being the late of arrival of monsoon. The statistic shows that the lowest rainfall received at Mapsa, which is 504 mm, and the highest rainfall is received at Dabolim, that is 897.1 mm of rainfall. On the 29th June, the heavy rainfall has taken place at Goa state. On the 29th June, the highest rainfall in one day is received at Ila, Old Goa, which is 147.8 mm of rainfall, and the lowest is received at Marmagova with 100.4 mm of rainfall. Further, another 3 days, there is a chance of heavy to very heavy rainfall in the Goa state. We have issued the fishermen warning not to enter into the sea.